Hey, friends! I've got something awesome to share. This best stock newest QR2 really impressed me after I tested it out. Trust me, you're going to love what this brings to the table. First, the look of this thing. It's simple yet eye-catching, perfectly balancing style and practicality. You can really tell they didn't cut any corners on this one. And wait until you hear about the cost. Affordable doesn't even begin to describe it. It's an amazing value. High quality without breaking the bank. Yes, please. It shines in so many different ways. It fits seamlessly wherever you need it, from office to bedroom. It's reliable, stylish, and honestly just a joy to use. Now, here's the catch, they are selling out quickly. Head over to the bio to grab yours before they are gone. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing finds.